Today we're checking out the MegaMaster 3-burner propane gas grill with folding side tables, Model 720-0988EA. This sleek black and silver unit packs three 10,000 BTU burners under a 434 square in cooking surface, perfect for everything from weekend burgers to weekday veggies. Key features and specifications. This outdoor grill boasts 434 square in of cooking space with durable cast iron grates for even heat distribution and non-stick performance. A stainless steel control panel resists rust and high temperatures, while the porcelain steel firebox locks in heat and resists corrosion. You'll also get foldable side prep tables, a built-in lid thermometer, and a removable grease tray for hassle-free cleanup. Price. Currently, you can pick up this grill for around $155.37 with free shipping on, making it one of the most wallet-friendly 3-burner options out there. Pros and cons. On the plus side, you get great value, easy portability with 2 wheels, and ample prep space thanks to the folding tables. On the downside, some users find the assembly instructions a bit vague, and a handful have reported igniter issues or a slightly flimsy feel in the side shelves. Customer review summary. With an average of 4.1 out of 5 stars from 383 ratings, most buyers rave about its easy assembly, consistent grilling performance, and value for money. A few critics note occasional burner misfires and minor durability quirks, but the majority agree it outperforms expectations at this price point. Should you buy it or not? If you're after a budget-friendly, compact, and feature-packed propane grill for casual cookouts or small gatherings, the MegaMaster 3-burner is a solid choice. Just be prepared for a bit of DIY assembly and keep an eye on the igniter, but for under $160, it's a grilling steal.